Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer. First, you'll need to gather your brewing equipment, including a large brew kettle, a fermenter, and sanitizing solution. Next, select your ingredients: malted barley for sugars, hops for bitterness and aroma, brewing yeast, and clean water. Remember, proper sanitation is absolutely critical throughout the entire process to ensure your beer tastes great and avoids any unwanted flavors. Let's get started with the mashing process. After gathering your supplies, the next step is mashing. Combine your crushed malt with hot water, typically around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, to convert starches into fermentable sugars. After about 60 minutes, you'll sparge, which means rinsing the grains with more hot water to collect all the sugary liquid, known as wort. Then, boil the wort for 60 minutes, adding hops at different intervals for bitterness, flavor, and aroma. This boil also sterilizes the wort. Once the boil is complete, you need to rapidly cool the wort to a temperature suitable for your yeast, usually between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents unwanted bacterial growth. Next, pitch your chosen brewing yeast into the cooled wort. The yeast will then consume the sugars, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide during fermentation, which typically lasts 1 to 2 weeks. After fermentation, condition your beer for a few more weeks to develop its full flavor. Finally, it's time to bottle or keg your homemade beer. Ensure all your bottles or kegs are meticulously sanitized to prevent contamination. Add a small amount of priming sugar to each bottle or keg. This will create natural carbonation as the yeast consumes it. Seal your containers and let them sit for another 1 to 2 weeks for carbonation to develop. Then, chill and enjoy your delicious, handcrafted brew. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.